Lieutenant Titus predicts the Tyrannid's Hive Tyrant is leading a swarm. Assist in the defense of the bridge until you confirm that the Xenos Overlord has entered the kill zone. Then trigger the detonation.
An inglorious death for
check.
that noble alien overlord.
Viridian is 60 seconds from drop!
Thalassa has landed, and soon a tyrant will fall.
Acknowledged. Proceeding to relay. Maintain box reports. Cover clears out.
That pitiful Xenos has done a horrible part. Avenging angel at your disposal. The Emperor sees what people say. Be as an angel of death. Jump back to you. Wounds of the Imperium. Urge the alien scourge. The enemy has silenced their call for aid. I am airborne ready. I am the righteous storm descender.
I think the Xenos hunger for astropaths. Poor bastards. Walk available.
That is heretical tyranny. Score my armor with cannon fire. Avenging angel at your disposal. Shot grenade! Remember this lesson. Suddenly you're brother, I am close. I'm sorry for killing you. My gratitude is boundless. This Ravener has spoiled its last swamp. Purge the Zoanthrope in a hail of bolts. Take flight and let terror fall. Carter, the Hive says that nothing Be as an angel of death. Jump pack refuel. My vitality wanes from this. My weapon holds only vapors. The Imperium's hammer rises to strike. Already. I am the righteous storm descendant. I must attain victory alone and honor my brother's sacrifice. Found a trove of relics. We have trampled the chittering palace. Its front of power and pride. I have bravely injured us. Banner, ready to deploy. Dispensing stims. Follow me through. Rally point reached, Lord Akaran.
The Munitorum does not store explosives to Codex Astartes standards. Locate enough to demolish the bridge.
That silence the tempest by the chittering.
Brothers, tell me which support you require explosives.
Charge is wired. Ammunition here.
Explosives ready!
Ordnance has finished. Wrath shall pray. The rebels.
What supports still require preparation?
The Xenos infestation is avenging angels will expose.
This support is ready for demolition.
explosives.
Bless this detonator.
We are ready to ambush the target, Command.
The Hive Tyrant will reach your position shortly. Join the Imperial Guard defenses up on the bridge, and lure that Xenos Colossus into the kill zone.
Let terror fall! Turning canker sighted. Jump back refuel. There is no going back. Faith without deeds. He is an angel of death. His angels. War is our purpose.
Astarte! We were not expecting such illustrious company in the rear ranks. We've got a handle on the incoming strikes. It's the relay that's getting hammered right now.
The beast that commands the swarm will arrive here soon.
Without armor support to tackle a target that big, we may have to bring down the supply bridge.
It is already done, Guardsman.
Is this a withdrawal order? Negative. The objective is the Hive Tyrant, not the bridge. Defend this position until the Tyranid command unit is executed. Understood, my lord. May the Emperor guide our lasguns to your support.
Incoming! Ready up, Eighth! Show the Emperor's angels!
The Hive Tyrant is on its way, but there is a horde of Xenos between you and it. Dig in for the long haul.
The world this Xenos sought to consume, now consumed its carcass. Score my armor with careless fire.
They're on us!
You have its attention. It is moving to intercept. Apply more pressure. Keep your eyes peeled. The Xenos may the beast will be in visual range shortly.
Behold this abominable Xenos champion!
Hold. Give the Hive Beast a moment. Detonate the charges now.
Die, beast!
Classed Delta. We destroyed it. It is not dead.
Enlighten us, Lord Titus.
go feral without their connection to the hive mind, but their focus is still on the relay. Reports confirm the Lieutenant's assessment. Enemy cohesion still in full effect. That beast is not yet dead.
Our word is bond. This void-spawn behemoth has seen its last day.
We can hold this position, Lords. We'll keep the swarm off your backs while you hunt that thing.
Prepare yourselves.
I would leave it to a lingering death under there were it not still directing the swarm.
If you observe the rites of reverence with half the devotion you wield a chainsaw, you would be an example of our chapter.
Reciting the liturgy. Substitute for killing Xenos.
And yet, I find the time for both.
If you would like to test how your devotions compare to mine, my blade is ready anytime.
Let us terrorize it in our pursuit.
Pursue and eliminate. We will not have a better opportunity to finish it off.
Avenging Angel at your disposal.
My war gear is satisfied. Take heed. Lictors to see the earth. Store my armor with careless fire. I am the righteous storm descendant.
Another alien falls to the Imperial.
Survivor calls for every Sunday. Last. An angel of death.
Caution. May still attempt to ambush us.
without deed. Jump pack refueled.
Talassa, report.
Giving chase to this damn thing.
Glory to
Talassa, you cut out. Repeat.
We have been cut off from our brethren. The heretics' jamming must reach this far.
The lieutenant will just have to listen for our howls of victory.
Take flight! The Xenos leader bescales the building. Take to the roof! Avenging Angel at your disposal. Grenade cache marked.
You realize there is no escaping.
Purge the aliens! Pack refuel. Little suffer your poor aim for only so long. The Imperium's hammer rises to strike! I'm airborne ready!
Rejoice! We have more punishment to mete out. I feel a storm coming. The monster beckons it.
Wrath shall reign! Avenging Angel! No son of Gilliman falls to death. Let me administer aid. Service to South for all goodness. Swiftly, render aid to our brother. Jump pack refueled. The world this Xenos sought to consume now consumes its kind.